The hidden dynamics of friendship and enmity of planets. It is interesting to know how the planets behave in enemies' Pakka house or friends' Pakka house. In this video, we will try to explore the hidden dynamics of planets. Welcome to my channel Lal Kitab Insights. Before exploring the hidden dynamics of friendship and enmity of planets, let us know about Pakka house lords and sign lords of houses. The fixed house lords, that is, Pakka house lords of houses, are as shown in the figure. The sign lords, that is, Rashi lords of houses, are as shown in the figure. Jupiter's Pakka Ghar are 2nd, 5th, 9th, 11th, whereas its sign houses are 9th and 12th. Sun's Pakka Ghar is 1st and sign house is 5th. Moon's Pakka Ghar and as well as sign house is 4th. Venus Pakka Ghar is 7th and sign houses are 2nd and 7th. Mars Pakka Ghar are 3rd and 8th and sign houses are 1st and 8th. Mercury's Pakka Ghar is 7th whereas sign houses are 3rd and 6th. Saturn's Pakka Ghar is 8th and 10th whereas sign houses are 10th and 11th. Rahu's Pakka Ghar is 12th and Ketu's Pakka Ghar is 6th. The friendship and enmity of planets are as follows. Sun, Moon, Mars are friends of Jupiter. Mercury, Venus are enemies of Jupiter, whereas Saturn, Rahu, Ketu are equivalent planets of Jupiter. Jupiter, Moon, Mars are friends of Sun. Venus, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu are enemies of Sun, whereas Mercury is equivalent planet. Sun, Mercury are friends of Moon. Rahu, Ketu are enemies of Moon. Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Mars are equivalent planets. Saturn, Mercury, Ketu are friends of Venus. Sun, Moon, Rahu are enemies of Venus, whereas Jupiter, Mars are equivalent planets of Venus. Sun, Jupiter, Moon are friends of Mars. Mercury, Ketu are enemies of Mars, whereas Venus, Saturn, Rahu are equivalent planets. Sun, Venus, Rahu are friends of Mercury. Moon is enemy of Mercury. Saturn, Ketu, Mars, Jupiter are equivalent. Mercury, Venus, Rahu are friends of Saturn. Sun, Moon, Mars are enemies of Saturn. Jupiter, Ketu are equivalent. Saturn, Mercury, Ketu are friends of Rahu. Sun, Venus, Mars are enemies of Rahu, whereas Jupiter, Moon are equivalent. Venus, Rahu are friends of Ketu. Moon, Mars are enemies of Ketu, whereas Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury, Sun are equivalent planets. Let us explore the hidden dynamics of friendship and enmity of planets. Moon-Mercury dynamics. Mercury is friend of Moon, but Moon is enemy of Mercury. 7th house is Pakka house of Mercury, whereas 4th house is Pakka house of Moon. When Moon is placed in 7th house, it gives wealth. This is good placement. Also, when Mercury is placed in 4th house, it gives wealth, but mother's health will be affected badly. It is good for wealth and bad for mother. When Mercury Moon together are placed in Moon's Pakka house, 4th house, or Mercury's Pakka house, 7th house, then it is bad placement. It is good exercise for Lal Kitab students to decode the hidden dynamics of this Moon Mercury in 4th and 7th house. Let us see Jupiter Mercury dynamics. Mercury is enemy of Jupiter, but Jupiter is not enemy of Mercury. Jupiter treats Mercury as an equivalent planet. When Mercury is placed in 2nd house, it is good for self and bad for father. 2nd house is Pakka Ghar of Jupiter. Mercury is Pakka house lord of 7th house. When Jupiter is placed in 7th house, Jupiter gets damaged. It is bad placement for Jupiter. There is no effect on Mercury, but Jupiter gets damaged. Lal Kitab learners try to decode this Jupiter-Mercury dynamics. Next, let us see Saturn-Mars dynamics. Mars is enemy of Saturn, but Saturn is not enemy of Mars. Saturn treats Mars as an equivalent planet. 10th house is Saturn's Pakka house. When Mars is placed in 10th house, it is exalted. It is very good placement. 3rd house is Mars Pakka house. When Saturn is placed in 3rd house, then the person is poor and penniless. This is not a good placement from financial point of view. Let us see Mars-Mercury dynamics. Mercury is enemy of Mars, but Mars is not an enemy of Mercury. Mercury treats Mars as an equivalent planet. 7th house is Mercury's Pakka house. When Mars is placed in 7th house, it is very good placement. This is auspicious. It gives wealth and happy domestic life. 3rd house and 8th house are Pakka houses of Mars. When Mercury is placed in 3rd house, this is bad placement. Similarly, when Mercury is placed in 8th house, this is also bad placement. Mars placement in 7th house is good. Mercury placement in 7th house is good. But Mars Mercury together in 7th house is bad position. It gives negative results related to both planets. Mars placement in 8th house is bad. Mercury placement in 8th house is bad. But Mars Mercury together in 8th house is good placement. These are the hidden dynamics of friendship and enmity of planets in each other's Pakka houses. Lal Kitab learners try to decode this and post comments in comment section. For horoscope reading at nominal fees, mail your birth details to lalkitabinsights@gmail.com.